You need to say no.
No.
Please.
Please.
No.
Please.
No.
Nope, you're not allowed out
Whoa.
until you say it.
No.
Please.
It's his room. I'm stronger than you.
No, you're not.
And I'm fatter.
Please.
You notice I have this on video.
Please.
That's great.
And you just said you're fatter on camera. And on YouTube.
Please.
Please, please,
Please.
please,
Please.
please leave me alone.
Okay.
Hi.
I have a question.
What?
Are you still going out with Sarah?
Yes.
How is that?
Yes.
How is it with you and Sarah? No comment. No comment. Do you have a comment?